So I just recharged, reloaded, and rehydrated. 3 R's of life. Use, recharge, reload, rehydrate.
Очень puto.
Other than that, headed back to base, while out, and something about a fort was said over the radio. So I do not know. I did not see anyone shooting. And there's arrows on the ground. Seconds. What is Murphy doing? You can't really. Wow, this is
Dicka.
Anyway. That us. What you doing in there?
Hold on.
We just made it
Good.
all the way around.
Yeah.
How far? Did you guys see anything in there?
They're making a push
They're going to.
right next
But like, what's their materials like? You see?
I didn't see anything.
There was
Okay.
a plastic box.
Okay, so they have the plastic boxes of the games. Good.
That's all I saw. I'll make it over there again.
Wanna go again?
I don't know. Do we?
Yes.
Try a different way though.
Wait, I need to do something. Oh, never mind, I can't do that. I was gonna put it on sideways. It's raining sideways. That's incoming fire at us. How you doing over here, Murph?
Same old covering and like.
They're going.
They're going far too fast to go now. They're moving left. Left.
Move right, move right.
I think I got him.
Hit. Where they at?
All the way at their base.
Oh, okay.
They're gonna snipe us.
Where are they on the right side?
We're moving up. They got the flag. What the hell? Can you take the flag? I didn't know.
Hit.